So given the equation y equals 1/3 x plus 5, what would be the slope of a line that is parallel to that line? So again, you can imagine somewhere on the Cartesian coordinate plane, there's this line 1/3 x plus 5, right? And I'm wondering what would be the slope of any line that is parallel to that line. Well, if lines are parallel to each other, they have the same slopes, right? They have the same up, rise over run pattern. So this particular line has a slope of 1/3. So a line that is parallel to it would have to have a slope of 1/3 also. Now, for lines that are perpendicular, right? Those are lines that meet at 90-degree angles. And one of the things that those don't meet at 90-degree angles, it looks like these do, though. One of the things that we saw is when we look at slope triangles, and then we subject those to 90-degree rotations about the origin, what happens is the up-down pattern, the rise pattern, and the run pattern switch. So over here, if I look at this line, now I've got this rise and this run, right? In other words, the rise and the run switch places. This is getting ridiculous, but the point, and also notice the slopes change signs, right? This went from a positive slope to a negative slope. I point this out because what we've been saying is if lines are perpendicular, they have to have slopes that their slope um, patterns changed, right? The rise and run change places. So for this one, the rise and the run have to change place if they're perpendicular, but also the sign has to change. So the slope of any line that's perpendicular to this line, right, y equals 1/3 x plus 5, would have to have a slope that's equal to -3/1. So down 3/1, down 3/1. So again, it's the reciprocal and it's the opposite in sign.